What's up guys, hope you're doing well. Today we have a quick look into the Chainlink price chart because we have an update. There is a potential buying opportunity right around the corner for me that I want to show you. Also, I want to give you a quick update here on our price target of $32.17 until the 24th of October. So let's get right into this. So currently we are in this correction stage right here, and long term, I am still bullish. I still think that we are in the bull market, and therefore I am looking for good buying opportunities that I can trade for the midterm. And for me, there is one. So I already have placed my limit order right here, and let me also tell you directly what it is. So this one right here is basically the next level that I'm currently looking at, 2157. I placed it a little bit higher, so at 2160, because in Sui I got very unlucky and it was just missed by 1 penny. So that is, yeah, not so nice, but different topic. That is why I have placed it a little bit higher at 2160. And now let me also tell you why I have placed it exactly there, because you can see that we have 2 supports right here. Actually, we have 3 supports right here. The first one is this one right here that we have just touched right here. The second one is the trend line. I mean, yeah, if you would go there today or tomorrow, this would be the exact same point. Then also this support level and the trend line would be, yeah, as I said, the exact same point, but everything further in time. Then first the trend line support would come into play, and then this one right here. And I decided to play it with this one right here because in my opinion this is a stronger one. And also what we have just seen right here is that we also had the trend line. We broke the trend line, got to the next support, and then moved higher. And we basically could potentially also get this right here, so that we are breaking the trend line, go to the next support, and then moving higher. So this is something that is currently on the table. Also here, of course, we have a major support zone that is not just one support level, but yeah, rather a zone. It basically starts right here and goes all the way down to this one. So that would then basically be, yeah, this support zone, and I am buying at the beginning of the support zone right here. In case we should fall lower, first of all, we have another support level right about here. So the zone is basically from 2161 to 2077, and the next support already comes into play at 2029. So this is basically 50 pennies lower than this support zone right here. Also, another thing would happen in case we are breaking below this support level right here, because this is not just the beginning of this support zone right here, it is also the invalidation level for our price target here of the $32.17. And if we have a daily candle close below this, that would mean that this price target right here would be invalidated. And you know that invalidation in this case means that we have a 90% likelihood that we will not go to this price level within the time window that we have right here. So that means in this case, the 24th of October. That doesn't mean that we will not go there in general. I still think that we are still in the bull market and that we are about to see some very nice bounces in the market, and that we will also go to this price target, but not, as I said, 90% likelihood that we will not go there within this time window. Also then, this price target right here would not be the exact price target that we would have, because what would happen in this case is that we would go lower, let's just say to the lower range right here, and then we are starting to move higher, and at some point we are breaking this high right here, and that would give us then the new price target and also the new time window. But currently this is not the case. Currently this price target is still valid. You know that in case anything happens, in case there are any updates, I will upload a new video. So make sure to subscribe to this channel so you won't miss this. Also, in the end, I quickly want to give you also a little bit here on the time invalidation, and that is on the 20th of September. That means we want to be back above $25.10 until the 20th of September. If it is 1, 2, 3 days later, that's also okay. But if it will be much later than this, then also this price target right here would also be invalidated. That means also 90% likelihood that we will not go there within this time window right here. And in the end, let me also quickly show you something in Bitcoin, because you know that for the altcoin market, we also look into Bitcoin. Bitcoin is driving the market. And in Bitcoin, we also have a rejection right here. So you can see that this one is the old all-time high. Then we had the break. Here we did the retest, another all-time high, and then here we bounced off. At this point then we have broken to the downside, and right now you can see that currently we are still battling with this old all-time high right here. And today's candle, so we still have 3.5 hours left, but today's candle looks like a liquidity grab at the moment, because we jumped above this resistance and then quickly reversed, and currently we are still below this level. That means that we have, if the daily candle closes as it currently is, that we have a chance that we are also seeing another quick move to the downside right here, and then potentially doing the bounce. Therefore, I have also placed my order right here below the price and at this level right here that I have just showed you, because if Bitcoin does a little move to the downside, likely Chainlink will also do this. And also in general, what I'm looking for with my trades is that I get good entries, so I don't want to FOMO in the market. I could also say, okay, this is let's see, how much is this? This is like 3.5% difference. I could say I don't care and just get me in here. I don't want to do this with my trading positions. I have a long-term position in several altcoins. That is a whole different story, because that is very long-term. But here with my trading positions, I want to get good entries. I want to get a good setup, and then I get in for the midterm. And that is why my entry right here is at the level that I've mentioned in the beginning of the video. In case the market goes there and gets my order filled, then everything is fine. In case it doesn't, then this trading opportunity was not the right thing and it didn't happen, didn't play it out. We will get another opportunity, maybe in Chainlink, maybe in another coin. But in case there should be any changes or opportunities, either in Chainlink or in other coins, I will upload a new video. And in case you have any questions, or in case you have any other cryptos that you want me to have a look at, feel free to post them down in the comments. That's it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.